Judiciary of the state. The judiciary of the state, high courts. The institution of high court originated in India in 1862. This is the picture of High Court Madras. The high courts were set up at Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. Later, each province in British India came to have its own high court. After 1950, a high court existing in the province became the high court for the corresponding state. The high courts are the highest courts at state level. High courts. The Constitution of India provides for a high court for each state. The 7th Amendment Act of 1956 authorized the Parliament to establish a common high court for 2 or more states or for 2 or more states and a union territory. States, capitals, high court location. Punjab, Haryana, these are the 2 states, and Chandigarh, union territory. The same high court in Chandigarh. Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. All these places, the high court is Guwahati. High court location is Guwahati. And then high courts of Guwahati has its benches in Itanagar, Kohima and Aizawl. Delhi, though not a state, has its own separate high court. Every high court has the chief justice and a number of judges. The number of judges varies from state to state. The number of judges of each high court is determined by the president. At present, there are 25 high courts for 28 states and 9 union territories. Jurisdiction and powers of high court. Concepts, meaning. Jurisdiction, legal power or authority. Jurisdiction is to appellate jurisdiction, original jurisdiction. In appellate jurisdiction refers to the matter for which the particular court review the lower court decision. It refers matter for which the particular court reviewed the lower court decision. Original jurisdiction means refer to matter for which the particular court is approached first. Okay. Original jurisdiction. The high courts of the presidency towns Bombay, Calcutta and Madras have both original and appellate jurisdiction, while other high courts have mostly appellate jurisdiction. Only in matters of admiralty, probate, matrimonial and contempt of court, they have original jurisdiction. The presidency high courts have original jurisdiction. Appellate jurisdiction means as courts of appeal, all high courts entertain appeals in civil and criminal cases from their subordinate courts as well as their own. They have, however, no jurisdiction over tribunals established under the laws relating to the armed forces of the country. Writ jurisdiction. The Supreme Court can issue them only where a fundamental right has been infringed. High Court can issue them not only such cases but also where an ordinary legal right has been infringed. It has the power to issue the 5 kinds of writs like habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto and certiorari. The 5 kinds of writs can be issued by High Court. Writ habeas corpus. Habeas corpus means it was issued to arrest a person and to be brought before a judge. It was issued to arrest a person and to be brought before a judge. Mandamus. Mandamus means it is issued to the person to perform a public or statutory duty. Prohibition. Prohibition means it is issued by a superior court to the lower court, directing it not to proceed with a case which does not fall under its jurisdiction. Okay. QRNTO. This was issued to ensure that the person holding the public office to which he is not entitled. Certiorari. Order by which a higher court reviews a case tried in the lower court. If they are not satisfied in the lower court, they will go to the high court. That is certiorari. Supervisory jurisdiction. High Court has the power of superintendence of overall courts and tribunals functioning in its territorial jurisdiction. Calls for returns from them, make an issue, general rules and prescribe forms for regulating and practice and proceedings of them. Prescribe forms in which books, entries and accounts are to be kept by them. And settle the fees payable to sheriff, clerks, officers and legal practitioners of them. Court of Record. All the decisions and decrees issued by the High Court are printed and are kept as a record for future references by the court as well as by the lawyers if such a need arises. That is Court of Records. Thus it also acts as a Court of Records. This is the statue of Nidhi Kandachodan, Samanidhi Kandachodan. Samanidhi Kandachodan at Madras High Court. That's all, children. Thank you for watching.